Hi, I'm Wednesday Jarvis, and today I'm teaching you how to make battery acid. Battery acid is a sugary concoction drink. This is my personal battery acid mix. It is full of very stale, different gummy candy, sour candy, pop rocks, and yum! What I also have with me today is sour soda pop sour candy powder. I also highly recommend using pixie sticks, but I do not have that on me right now. Sweeteners that you can usually find at restaurants. And inside my little fridge right here, I have an energy drink and a Mountain Dew Code Red. Usually for battery acid, what you're going to need is like an energy drink, a soda, lots of sugar, lots of sour candy, anything that will make you not go to sleep ever. Let's start our concoction. Even though I opened it, I'm going to start by putting my sour candy inside. So right now I'm putting in some of these fruit belts, some gummy spaghetti, pop rocks, and just put in that sweet citric acid at the bottom. I recommend putting all of the sugary stuff and like all the sour stuff in before, because if you put the sodas in first and then put all your sugar and sour stuff in, it's gonna fizz up and overflow, and nobody wants that. So I'm putting about 2 sweeteners in here. Yum! And now we are putting in this sour bottle pop. I kind of went for a little bit of a red theme with the drink, so even though this drink isn't really red. Yeah, see how it's already foaming up? And there you have it, Whiteland. Battery acid. Is it the healthiest? No. The sugariest? I'd say so. Battery acid is a drink to share with your friends, so that's why I'm inviting my German host sister to come try it with me.
I'm Emma Weiss. I'm the German host sister.
Are you excited to try my drink that I've made for you?
So excited.
She's excited!
It genuinely tastes like heart attack. I'm not a big fan of sweeteners, so if it had sugar instead of sweeteners, I would probably prefer that. I don't think I could drink a whole glass, but for the 2 sips, it wasn't that bad, but I'm also not that sugary. But I feel like it would get you through the night, definitely.